What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to create Phantom Wallet account. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. So we have our Phantom Wallet and we're going to open the app. And if you're doing this for the first time, you will have to see this page. You're going to first of all agree to the terms of service, and this will activate the Create a New Wallet button. We're going to tap on it. Then you have the Add a Wallet page. Now you have two options in creating your wallet. You can either use your email or create with a seed phrase. We're going to go ahead and continue with email, but any of these options are fine. Click on continue with email. Then you're going to choose the email you'd like. Continue with Google, we're going to choose that. You'll need to confirm the sign in. And right here, you will get to choose the email you would like to use. If your email is not listed here, you can simply add the email account by using use another account. So we have two emails here. We're going to go ahead with one of them. Click on continue. And after you've selected your email address, it's going to take you to this page where you will have to create a secret PIN. Take note that this PIN cannot be recovered. So if you lose your PIN, you will lose your wallet. So we're going to go ahead and create a secret PIN. After that's done, you want to click on continue, put in the PIN again to confirm. And then when your PIN is confirmed, you're going to see it in green. Next, we're going to click on create PIN, and it's currently creating a wallet. Of course, you could go to the next page. However, you're encouraged to protect your wallet. So we're going to go ahead and use a PIN. So on this page, you will need to put in your iPhone passcode in order to authenticate it. So we will be using a PIN to authenticate our transactions. This is an added layer for your security. So after using your phone's PIN, you can click on next. And there you go, all done. All you need to do is to tap on get started, put in your passcode, which is your PIN, and there you have your new Phantom Wallet account. So this is how to create a Phantom Wallet account. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.